Managing medical equipment is no easy task, especially when unpredictability leads to increased costs and risks to patient care. Pfizer, a global leader in biopharma, faced this very challenge. To address this, Pfizer incorporated machine learning algorithms that would screen through historical maintenance data. This enabled them to foresee or probably avoid equipment failures before they happen. They were able to do predictive analysis for the machines, and given schedules, patterns of usage were corrected. This proactively transformed the reactive needs into a dependable maintenance procedure with the support of data analytics. The benefit was sensational. There was an overall decrease in maintenance costs of over 20%, and patients benefited from enhanced equipment usage, leading to better results. A prime example is illustrated in the Pfizer's success story to demonstrate how technology and innovation shape change new healthcare operations. The implication is that predictive maintenance is not just an economic win, it is actually a lifesaver. Data science also became the secret of success at Pfizer, where people relied on analytics and not intuition. Could your organization be the next to join the future of predictive maintenance? Visit www.learnbay.co to explore more.